See, in our syllabus, we are not supposed to do so much about radio interferometry. The note that I have provided is sufficient for writing an exam. I'm giving this lecture only to make you understand what is the use of radio interferometry. Why do we need so many radio antennas like that? So just think that there is this, if there is a wave coming like this, which is like 1000 meters, so a single antenna is not going to work. Okay, that's, you just keep in mind. You need to make so many antennas to work together to get a precise a precise idea about the radio source available in the sky. Okay, and it is also like doing a big task together. Suppose you are given a task of calculating the distance between your home and college. Okay, so instead of making, and it should be done manually, so instead of doing it alone, what you will do, you will make a group of 5 or 6 students, and first one will measure up to this, second one will measure up to this, third one will measure up to this. So like this you can do, isn't it? Then later on, what will you do? Like A and B, C, D, and A, B, C, D, E. So 5 students have measured the distance in part. So later on you will come together and you will add this, and you will have the idea that what is the distance. Similarly, when you have a sky, see, sky is so big that it is not possible to picture the whole sky with a single antenna. Okay, so that is why what we have on the surface of our whole earth surface is behaving like an antenna. Do you understand? So we have antennas everywhere on earth's surface. You can see in the internet, it is available, radio antennas on earth. So the whole earth is behaving like an radio antenna. Okay, and it is catching and radio waves coming from all the directions. Okay, so this array of antennas are helping us to make a single picture of the sky. Okay, single picture, single radio picture of the sky. Okay, so that is it's like, it's just, this is a single antenna. Okay, sorry, so many antennas forming in a particular region. Similarly, there will be another like 30-40 antennas spread over another region. They have like on all the sides of earth, so that no single radiation is missed. And but this hard work is not to be done when it is considered for X-rays and gamma rays, because you know that the wavelengths are so tiny, like 10 to the power minus 12. So you don't need that much of big plate to collect this photon. It's a small tip of this pen is enough for collecting that photon, isn't it? Gamma ray and X-ray, this tip of the pen is enough for collecting a gamma photon or X-ray photon. But if you want to collect a radio photon, then you will definitely have to get a bigger idea. That's the whole idea about radio interferometry. The details in other technical details we'll study in other units in future. Thank you. If you have any doubts, you can write to me through WhatsApp or Google Classroom.